Hi, today in front of me DOOGEE V Max, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. By this way, if you want to rename it, just click once on the name and enter the new one. So I'll just remove first the name and enter the apps. Tap to OK, and that's it. To move here this folder on the home screen or between the screens, just to create the new screens for the folder, you should just hold it and drag it. To remove it from the folder, the application, you should hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the whole screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, you just remove only the item, but you'll stay with this application here in the apps menu. Also, if you want to remove all of the applications with a folder together in one click, just hold it and drag it to remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.